weeks was incredibly impactful. It was thoughtful, intentional, and I developed skills personally and professionally. And I definitely feel it built my confidence in all facets of my life. Methods, I was very interactive, source of networking, and overall very effective to learn from others as well as Sojourn partners. They didn't put us into a leadership box or necessarily try to have us conform to one leadership style. They took our own individual styles and really enhanced and developed those so we could become our own personal professional leader that was more authentic to each person.
I'm considered a leader as part of leadership in our company, and I learned tremendously about my leadership abilities, and I benefited greatly.
And I've taken with me since the course is the tools to help me navigate through change. For us, we've been going through a lot of transition over the last few years, and some of the skills that I picked up during the course have really helped me reframe some of that work that we're trying to push through and be more strategic instead of just reacting to.
It wasn't just all a consulting industry like ours, it was other industries. And I think that's very valuable for myself and my coworker to see that. And then we can also talk about those things and we would meet and discuss maybe 10 or 15 minutes each week on what each other learned and what we were really thinking about how things went.
So after each session, thinking about the stuff that I was going through and able to get real-time feedback from peers and experts who could really help me sort of dig through those issues.
Of different issues and problems that may arise in the workplace, whether it would be with staff, environmental issues, or just actual office issues. Is what I've been able to use the most is understanding where the issues may be derived from and how to tackle those successfully throughout my office. And
we actually had two folks from our company attend this program, and I think it worked great because we could see how, I guess, personally on different levels, how this benefited each other and how we could discuss some things that were internal or related to us and our company. But the other great thing about this, having this program with other folks in different industries, I could pick up other things that were kind of in common, but to see those problems and issues being dealt with in a leadership
It's a great opportunity to reflect on where you are in your career and realize, have some humility and realize that there are ways to improve your skill set to become a better leader. And this course is really just all about that.
Employer, and you're on the fence about sending your employee, I would say absolutely do it. It's not only an investment in your employee, but in your business.
Say you are going to get out of it what you and your employee put into it. If you invest the time to check in after each session, to talk with the individual about what they've learned and how they're going to apply that to their real world day to day, you're going to see real value out of it, and so are they, and your whole organization will, in my view. It really is an opportunity to collaborate on that person's individual growth, but also the organization's growth as a whole.